I'm going to show you how you can enable and use price alerts on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Basically, these price alerts will notify you whenever your watch list of assets have a specific price change. So if you want to enable this, all you need to do is go to Kraken, then go right here to your profile, then go to notifications, and right here you will find customization. So click on edit and you will find the price alerts right here. So we have the watch list alert that we can turn on or turn off right here. This will notify you whenever there are significant changes to the assets in your watch list. And then we also have the custom price alert that should be coming soon. So after we enable this, we can save, and now we can go to any coin we want. For example, let's say you want to use the price alerts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we are going to go to Bitcoin and mark it on your watch list. In my case, I have it already. And same thing with Ethereum. So you can add it to your watch list just by clicking this star icon. So this way you will get notifications on your computer or your phone, depending on what you are using, of all the assets you want. If you want to add more, just search for them right here. For example, I don't know, Solana. You can search for it, add it to our watch list, and then we will get price alerts whenever there is a significant price change. So that's it. That's how you can set up the price alerts on Kraken. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.